Hey guys, you already know it's your favorite YouTuber coming back to you with another video. I don't know if this sounds weird with the mic close to my mouth. It doesn't sound better. Guys, I honestly think that, I think it sounds better with my mic close to my mouth. So I'm going to be holding my mic closer to my mouth so you can't really hear me clicking the keyboard, because I realize in most of my videos you can hear me click the keyboard when I'm not even clicking really, really loud. So, I don't even know. Okay, so guys, my best friend, oh, she's on, but she is not answering her phone. It's super weird. She is not answering her phone. Okay, they always have to put that everywhere I go. They put that in my face. Why is she here? What the heck? What the heck, man? Why is she here? Somebody trade me. I'm sorry. I wish I could trade you, but my trading got taken away, and I would probably trade you a rare for one of your stuff. Let's go ahead and log on to Mix's her account, because we're gonna log on to her account because so I'll see you guys when I log into her account. Okay guys, so instead of logging onto her account, I decided that I would just do a video with just my account. So I apparently got logged out, but that's totally fine. I wonder if the video will stop if I just start moving my camera everywhere. Okay, the video has not stopped. That's cool. Alright, so 19 more hours until I get my trading back. Whoa guys. Whoa guys, whoa. I'm gonna say calling me, answer, because answer my hotline bling. Answer my hotline bling. You can say that. I can't believe you could say that. Alright. Answer my hotline bling. I don't wanna. That can. I'm recording, man. I don't wanna hotline bling. She does not know I'm recording. Now she does. Oh my god, she's probably gonna tell me, delete the video, delete. But, guys, I haven't. Whoa, what was that? Did you guys see whatever that was? What was that? It was like a fat, ooh. Ooh, honeybee. Nice. Major. I've seen you everywhere. Oh. Can I click on them? What's colors? True. Okay, guys. We're gonna go ahead and we're just gonna troll pizza. Alright. Miss. Where did she go? Of your videos. Oh my god. You guys, this is gonna be a long video for a reason. I'm filling out my adventure with yes. Well, I traded one of your betas. Oh, you guys. Okay, ignore.
Well, which ones?
It's I got it for you. It was like a beta, and well, I traded it.
I was on here the whole time.
No, earlier when I was doing the mailbox thing, I didn't want you to know, but I got like the beta fountain thing that Apari was talking about.
Oh, the fishy fountain?
Yeah.
I still have my fishy fountain.
No, I got another one, and then I traded it.
You should have kept it, man.
And then
You could have had your fishy
I also
fountain.
traded, like, I don't know, it was one of
I'm filling out my adventure book. I found like that gopher thing over here, and I found. You helped me found the birdie. You helped me find the birdie.
I honestly, I did trade it a lot of your stuff.
You're not supposed to. You better give me that spike back.
No, I swear it was just an accident. I didn't know, and then I accidentally traded it, and then.
Okay, sure. You accidentally traded it.
It's a whole deal. It's a prank. Okay, it's a prank.
It's not even April Fool's anymore, man. Get over it, man.
It's still a prank. I mean, like, come on, like, guys, wasn't that funny? Comment down below.
You're recording?
Yes.
Oh man, oh you're so mean.
Comment down below if you think that was funny, because I thought that was funny, like, low key. We're gonna keep it low key, guys.
Oh, she's so mean, guys.
Okay, guys, we're gonna
you guys,
up
okay.
our adventure book.
You guys would not. Oh my goodness. She pranked me. She pranked me. She
that
was like,
so good. That's so totally good. Going up on.
She was
oh
like,
oh,
I traded one of your betas, my den betas, and I was like, what? Which one? And she was like, oh, the beta fountain. And I was like, what? I have like one of those ready. And she was like, oh, well, I got another one for you. And then like I traded it. And she's just so mean. Okay, let's go get a pet snake, because I want to play a snake game.
I'm
We're
sorry.
getting a pet snake.
It was so funny. Like, I just couldn't break the news to you. It was, like, so funny.
My goodness, she's so mean. She's so mean.
Guys,
like every other color.
Like, she thought that she was on headphones, but you guys were on headphones. Like, oh my goodness. I feel so bad now.
I like it that way.
Where did you find, like, the rest of the stuff? I only need, like, 4 more and then I complete.
I only need, like, 1 or 2 more.
Shoot, man. Okay, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you guys next time. Bye.